Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Threads without phone number. Threads is by Instagram and we all know that. So let's look for our phone number on the Threads account. Right, so we'll go into our Threads account right here just by going into this profile picture and the bottom right corner, tap on it, and right here we can go into the edit profile, and as you can see there is no phone number option right here. Even if we go into our settings, alright, so for example let's go into privacy. There is no phone number right here, so to create a Threads account you don't need to link your phone number on this app. Actually I bring a source right here. It's that website. It says it's answer the question if you need a phone number for Threads registration. It says you do not need a phone number to create a Threads account, but you will need to active your Instagram account to sign into Threads. So what you need is the Instagram account and not the phone number. So Threads is linked with Instagram and not with the phone number. However, for those who prefer not to use their main Instagram account or want to create an additional anonymous account, virtual number can be a useful solution. So you can create an Instagram with a virtual number, and then you can link the Thread account with that Instagram you created with a virtual number. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.